When the fear takes it over and you can't breathe, when the tears take control.
Hi everyone, my name's Justin Murray from the Murray team at Remax Bayside Properties, and welcome to 37 Celosia Street, Alexandra Hills. This is a beautiful big family Storey home that's got full brick right around and sits on a 711 square metre block. You've got your typical 3-bed layout upstairs, but downstairs we've got 2 extra bedrooms and a big living area with a bar area, plus another bathroom and a little kitchenette. It's not legal height downstairs, but it's definitely a house that can be used with a lot of space. Come and check it out. And how good is this deck out here? Perfect for families and friends on barbecues all weekend to enjoy. Don't forget we've got the side access through here that comes to this big workshop that's got power and lighting, and we are on a 711 square metre block, so there's ample room for the kids to play or build a pool if you want. My name's Justin Murray from the Murray team, and we can't wait to see you guys here at the next inspection. Look forward to seeing you soon. Bye for now.
I got you when the fear